Hi, Matt here from Rament Media, and today we're going back to the Hilton Fort Lauderdale 17th Street and taking another look at the hotel renovation that was completed in early 2025. Just to give you an idea of the changes that were made, here's a look at the lobby from early 2024. Now, here's the lobby after the update from spring of 2025. As you can tell, in addition to new furniture and paint, the lobby is much more well lit than it was previously. The updated eatery grab and go has Starbucks coffee, snacks, alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks, and sundries. The hotel has a gift shop with an ATM on the outside that has a little bit of everything, but there's also a shopping center within walking distance. The hotel also has a small business center as well as a fitness center on site. The former Espot restaurant is now Taste, offering an updated menu. This is also the area where they serve the manager's daily happy hour. While the central courtyard has received updates to the paint, furniture, and decor, the tropical foliage, natural light, and water effects still remain, giving the area something of a feel between the Caribbean and a jungle. The breakfast buffet is typical of most embassy suites, serving made-to-order omelets and things like eggs, bacon, potatoes, pastries, fruit, and cereal. Just be aware that this area can get pretty crowded on cruise days. The outside remains largely the same, with the beautiful koi ponds towards the street entrance. One major change was the removal of the rock waterfall feature that used to tower above the pool. It's been replaced by a game area, complete with beanbag toss, Big Connect 4, and AstroTurf.
You're gonna add it. Make it black.
Moving on to the rooms, here's what the rooms used to look like prior to the renovation. Now, here's the room after the update. As you can see, with the update, the room is a lot brighter, which makes it feel more spacious. While the couch bed wasn't the best bed in the world, it was still fairly new, and can easily accommodate an adult or a child. While the bathroom did receive a couple of updates, it didn't quite get the makeover that the rest of the room did. The mirror, paint, wallpaper was all new, but the bathtub was still the same. We had heard from other guests that this was not the same for all rooms and that some of the showers had in fact been updated. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of the newly renovated Embassy Suites, 17th Street. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks.